Yes, so let me call upon the test speaker for today. Poornima, speech title, autograph, Poornima.
Copy 5, 6, 7.
How many of you have boyfriends, had boyfriends, or girlfriends, or tried to propose? I don't see anyone raising up their hands. You are not into my tribe at all.
Long back ahead.
Getting a US visa is much easier than persuading a guy for a love marriage. How tough you know. Yes, like guys, I also had an autograph. Why boys should have all the fun? Why not girls? My strong love story got devastated by a culprit called. Due to budget constraint, I got this small one. Live it. I'm a tomboy. Good. Had an ambition in life to search for a handsome guy and settle down in life as a rich housewife. I started my agile journey, 2 to 4 weeks, try, develop, get the things done, if not move on. I spotted a handsome, charming, fair Malayali guy in my school. He is my guy. I transformed and disguised myself as a Malayali. My mother tongue, Malayalam. My dance, Kathakali. I've taken head shower twice a day. But doesn't work out. The poor Malayali guy expectation was a long hair. Unfortunately, like me, my hair is also short. That extended hair also didn't help me out. Having an attitude of never give up. Yes, I started my journey again. I wanted in school, yes, as a vision. I moved on to diploma. Diploma was a teens college. So I joined electronics and communication department. I established eye contact with mechanical department. Guess why? No girls, no competition. So simple. To my surprise, I got a love letter from an instrumentation department with a small gift to Taj Mahal. That guy, that letter puzzled me in a way. Either it is a leave letter or a love letter. The letter goes in a way, as I am suffering from love fever for the past 2 months, kindly approve and accept my love letter and proceed for love marriage. Followed by Tamil rhymes. I'm neither good at Tamil nor at English. Too many grammatical mistakes. Reject. This ChatGPT, Grammarly, was not there at that time to help that guy, poor guy. Having said that, I kept on competing. I never aborted my mission. I changed my innovative approach in college. The college was a mini Andhra with the spicy masala guys and a price tag got them as a dowry. How much value they are. Most of the Andhra guys join engineering college on the expectation to increase their dowry value. Whereas, in my case, I was opting for a love marriage so that I don't pay dowry, neither my father can afford. I had an exclusive service for the Andhra guys, writing assignments, notes, record notes, everything. Thought that exchange of notes helped me in exchange of hearts. But the stingy guys exchanged Hyderabad biryani and left off. Now the strategy changed everything. The strategy got changed. No more regional language, only international language. That's it. English. I'm an Englishman. I stepped into a corporate era. Amazed with the looks of Peter. Peter by the name. He's good at picture English, isn't it? When I approached him, I came to know his English is worse than my English, and this guy got a girlfriend in his school itself and got engaged. Go! My entire mission got aborted. I had a substitute, my assistant, my father. I've given this Chandrayaan 3 mission to him. Go ahead. He came out with a fantastic, fabulous proposal. The proposal goes on in a way. Expectation is a huge, gym body. Wealthy, healthy. Wait. Don't get into the dreams. It will happen only in dreams. In my case, I'm an lucky person. I'm an unlucky person. When I introduced my spouse to my friends, they looked at him from top to toe. Hey, he's neither a Kerala chips, nor a spicy bhaji, or a burger. It's a complete composition comprehension of Tamil Nadu curd rice. It's not only a curd rice. You don't know how to ride a bike. You don't know how to be romantic. You don't know how to clean the house. You don't know how to cook. Many things don't know. That's complete disaster, isn't it? No. When I look back my autograph, the guys who rejected me got settled in UK, US, Australia. The guys whom I rejected got settled in Kodabaka, Kozhikode, Kottambatti. Local fellas, no regrets. And the guy who accepted me got blessed with health and wealth. So dramatic, isn't it? High autograph. Let's keep on continuing. I'm going to enjoy my autograph. Yours lovingly. Poornima.